This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with a 3-car garage. It has a Next Gen suite, which is an attached casita with its own separate entrance. Today we are in the community of Citrus Trails in Loma Linda, California, viewing the Hamlin Residence 4 model home, which is a 1-story home by Lennar Homes that is available for immediate move-in. The open floor plan home measures approximately 2,434 square feet. This spacious living room and dining area has an elegant fireplace and fantastic views of the backyard. The backyard is a blank canvas, ready for you to make it your own. And if you're like me and enjoy gardening, you're probably already thinking of what you're going to plant first. The large modern kitchen has sleek countertops and beautiful cabinets. It features stainless steel appliances such as a cooktop stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. The center island has a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you just feel like having a quick bite to eat. The walk-in pantry has lots of shelving and a great addition to the kitchen. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. This home has direct access to the 2-car garage. The first bedroom has carpet, a window, and a closet. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. The second bedroom has a window, carpet, and a closet as well. The laundry room is featured with cabinets and washer-dryer hookups. Down the hall, you will find the guest bathroom, which has dual sinks and a private water closet with shower in the bathtub. This home also includes green features, such as dual-glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient low-E glass, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. This home also has a centrally located linen closet. If you're interested in searching for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. The master bedroom suite is beautiful and has lots of windows. The master walk-in closet is rather large and has storage shelves, single and double pulls. The attached master bathroom has dual sinks, a soaking tub, shower, and a private water closet. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. You will also find a double-door coat closet at the entrance of the home. Now let's view the attached casita. The multi-generational suite has a separate entrance. It has a kitchenette and a living room. I really like that it has direct access to the one-car garage. You will also find a bedroom with a window and a closet. There is also a laundry area. The bathroom features a cabinet, sink, toilet, and a shower. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like watching these two as well. And if you're interested in buying a home in Loma Linda, California or surrounding areas, please give me a call, Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.